Hello everyone, welcome to our channel for a new recipe of Guacamole Bruschetta. It is so appetizing, so yummy and delicious, and it is very easy too. So let's start. Firstly, we'll start with the picking of freshly baked baguettes, French baguettes preferably for the Avocado Bruschetta. And I have picked two because my kids may demand for more. And nextly, the main hero of the recipe is avocado. For the prep of guacamole, we need avocados, of course, and a tomato, some green chilies, garlic, and also some parsley, of course, an onion and a lemon too. Let's start first with peeling and coarsely mashing of avocado. Please prefer the ripe avocados because they are the key ingredient of the recipe. Here I have mashed them. Nextly, I am moving on with chopping of onions. Finely chopped onions. You don't require to be very skillful, just finely chop them. Next, finely chop the green chilies. I love green chilies and they just give a kick to the guacamole. Select a ripe tomato and just chop them into fine pieces. Here I have used parsley. You can also use coriander instead of it. Just chop the parsley finely. Lemons actually add the zing to the recipe, so they are quite important. Now add the chopped onions to it, also the tomatoes. Next goes the parsley to it and green chilies, followed by the salt, black pepper, garlic, of course, chopped garlic, and black pepper and basil. Give it a good mix. Add also some lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Give it a good mix to it so that all the ingredients are well incorporated into the avocado. Here the guacamole is ready. A fresh French baguette. All you need to do is smell it. I just love the aroma of this baguette. And then you have to slice down diagonally in 1/2 inch of diameter, so that they are not too thin, not too thick. Should be just perfect. It looks so satisfying to watch this baguette cut diagonally. Do like the video, and if you guys haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button so that you get notified for more such amazing recipes and videos. Actually, I prefer cutting diagonally. You can even cut straight or whatever you like, because I feel this looks more beautiful. So here they are ready. For the spread on the baguettes, we need 4 to 5 cloves. We need to chop them finely. And we also need some olive oil so that we make it a good infusion of the garlic and olive oil for the baguettes. Here we have taken 1/4 cup of olive oil and chopped garlic. Just make the good infusion and keep it aside. And let it marinate for some time. There it is ready. Now we have to apply the marinade of olive oil and garlic on both sides of the slices of baguette so that they just turn crispy when we bake it. Just apply it, good amount of olive oil on it and bake it. Believe me, this infusion of olive oil and garlic enhances the taste of the bruschetta. We need to bake it for 5 minutes for 400 degrees Fahrenheit and they are ready. Baguettes are ready. Just take already prepared guacamole from the fridge, drizzle some olive oil into it, and it is all ready to be served. It's a perfect appetizer, believe me guys, it's too yum and delicious. Just arrange them however you like. I like to arrange them like this. And just spread this bread on these slices of baguettes. And this becomes avocado bruschetta. It is so delicious. It's heavenly. The crispy crust of the baguettes and the smooth and silky guacamole. It's perfect and it is a perfect appetizer. You can have it at any time and enjoy this lovely heavenly taste. Keep watching, subscribe to like and share. Thank you.